Welcome to GOYUM Screw Press. 20 tons per day soybean oil mill plant with extruder installed in Zambia by GOYUM Screw Press. Here you can see the cleaned soybean enters the cracker from the silo, which is designed to costly disintegrate the seeds. A bucket elevator transfers the cracked soybean, using an overhead conveyor, into the extruder hopper. The soybean extruder raises the temperature of the soybean to 150 degrees Celsius to eliminate bacteria and reduce anti-nutrients. The resulting product, full-fat soya, is then transferred to the mechanical press using a screw feeder. The product is squeezed in the oil press, extracting oil out through the gaps between the cage bars and conveying it to the unfiltered oil tank. The soya cake conveyor transfers the cake to the soya meal cooler via a bucket elevator. The soya cake is then moved to a meal cooler, where it is stirred by a rotating tumbler and cooled by cold air from a blower. Lastly, the entire operation is seamlessly controlled via a centralized control panel that provides real-time status updates of all operational feeders. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.